Hey everyone, it's your boy Matthew here, and today, I am back. Because, you see this? I thought this was a problem and all that stuff. Not necessarily. I'm gonna hope that stays. We're playing Indigo. It's a game that I have no experience with at all. I am very confused. I'm so confused. I don't know. What's this? No. Can I play the game? Leave me alone. It's already up. Yeah, this is made by a YouTuber, and his name is Unique. That's N-E-T. Stop it. What are you? You do not look pleasant. Yes. I didn't play the game at all yet, so I don't know what that means. What is this guy's name? I don't know here. This is like the main guy. Isaac Indigo. I don't want to see it.
All who journey to this newfound paradise, we welcome you.
Alright.
Indigo Park offers a slice of the American dream to call your own.
Okay.
In this place, echoes of days gone are brought back to life as a new generation captures a glimpse of the exciting potential of tomorrow.
When was this
Indigo Park pays homage to the values, dreams, and unwavering truth that gave rise to our great nation.
Can't miss experiences. Hey Lord, you want to do one of sing with me? Does that can say burn up? Quiet. They did not make a soda. That's us? Mom's favorite. Molly Macaws. Hey Lil, I'm doing research this week. I'm gonna come with me. What is it? The last 2 weeks I've gone with you. I've sucked. Remember the old thing? Okay, whatever. Alright. Oceanic Odyssey. Come meet Finland. Alright. Yep, it certainly does say bird up. What's this? This is so sick. What is this? Rambly. Oh, that's your name. So Macaw and Rambly. I don't know who the lion is in there. Oh, Finley. So there's Finley, Macaw. Chapter 1, Birds of a Feather. Okay. So we have Rambly, Molly Macaw. Rambly. Yeah, Rambly. Molly Macaw and Finley. I don't know what the lion's name is yet. I just love that his little head pops up. Like in the loading screen. Actually, it makes you want to watch something. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know why every game I play looks like I'll quiet. Can I go in? Hello. Alright, it's not letting me in. Okay, wait, why'd that break now? Oh, whoa! I found a collectible. Oh, is that a collectible? Is that a collectible? That's a collectible. So there's collectibles? Oh! Okay. That is not alright. That is not okay. Why does everything...
Hi, and welcome to Indigo Park!
Don't do that, please.
Innovative and engaging family fun experience. Jump into the world of your favorite character. You're our first guest in 2,920 days, 4 hours, 23 minutes, and 38 seconds.
Computer. Echo. How long ago was 2,930 days, 4 hours, 23 minutes, and 38 seconds?
Sorry, I don't have an answer for that.
Quiet.
Congratulations!
Yay.
I'm Rambly raccoon.
Yeah,
And it's my job to make sure your experience here at Indigo Park is the most fun it can be. Just hop over to the registration center to your left, where our friendly assistant will help you begin your adventure in the park.
Be honest, for a YouTuber to create a game like this, it looks sick.
Hi, I'm Rambley the raccoon, and it's my job to make sure your experience here at Indigo Park is registered.
We know that.
Let me just get a good look at you.
Don't you dare turn on the camera. You did. Shut it.
Have your face in our guest list.
Really now?
Is this your first time here at the park?
I don't know.
Or did you just get plastic surgery?
I don't know.
No worries. It's Rambley Tuesday.
It's Saturday.
You qualify for a big discount on your visit. Just follow me to the main gate. Ooh, I can't wait for you to see everything Indigo Park has to offer.
Probably not a lot if I know you. Or mascot Horky. Yeah, if he says, like, all he is yapping, so I don't think there's going to be much when you're yapping a lot. Buddy?
What's the hold up? The gate is open.
No, it is not.
To the entryway.
No, it is not.
Hold on. My mistake. The gate is not open.
Yeah.
There seems to be an error message being sent from the gate's power unit. Lucky you!
So you don't want me?
You get to be the first person to try our turn on the generator mini Rambley venture. Have fun!
I'm gonna say it, the animation on like the raccoon in the TV is very, very high quality. It is very good.
The Indigo Violet Compact Power Generator.
Alright.
But it seems to be inoperable. Looks like it's missing a piece. Can you find it?
The lever. Alright, I don't really understand what it's asking me to do. Where do I go necessarily? I'm looking for a beer. Oh! Now that gives me an idea of where to go. Don't tell me that. Oh, there it is. There it is. Alright, I'm all set. Why didn't it open? Oh, lever. Let me go. Whoa! Okay. Alright. Strong muscles then, man.
Okay, for real this time. Welcome to Indigo Park.
You didn't say welcome to Indigo Park the first time, but alright. Hi there. Hi there, statue. What is this? Like a burn cross.
Oh, silly Rambley. Every guest needs a critter cuff. That will allow you access to reserved areas, charge payments to your room, and wear a critter cuff. I think there's some in the gift shop. Head in there and I'll get you set up.
This reminds me of Disney. Like, remember when there was like Mickey and Minnie like holding hands and like the golden statue? Like, whoever that is, and Rambley or isn't that, like, where did he say I needed to go? Oh, look. Sweet. Yeah, you're gonna have to get used to this now. Alright. What's all this? Crater corner. I think this is where I'm supposed to be. Ugh!
Here you go, buddy. Your very own critter cuff. A new way to interact with the park. Also doubles as a pedometer, heart monitor, and mood ring. Data disclosure agreement included.
Oh, god darn it. No, now wearing like these wristbands really reminds me of Disney.
Uh-oh, the door is mysteriously locked.
You little jerk!
Test out your band and save the day.
Oh, is this actual merch? That's cool. Okay, this is totally inspired by Disney World. Like, come on! Have you ever been to Disney World? You got the little...
Buddy. Now try entering the park, and we can start our Indigo adventure.
As I was saying, you know how you, like, go to Disney, you get the little band, and you, whenever you want to ride a ride, you just put it, like, against the little reader? Yeah, that's what just happened there. Welcome. Let me... I am here. You're not you're not gonna tell me that this... Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 that thing, that the man with the human is following me. No, no, unacceptable. You're telling me that this place made that? Did they make the title of the soda burn up for a reason? Because I know what you're talking about here. Where do I go? Guess it's... Oh, there. I think I go there. Next to where the flippin' bird up is! Although, great, cameras are active. That's amazing. I wanna go here. Done stuff. I'm stupid. I need to go pee-pee after that. Alright, come on. What, anybody here? Hello? Hello? Anybody here? Anybody here?
Donkey Kong.
Anybody? Nope. Alright, that was nice. Alright, what's this? It's a figurine? Right, I can't look in there. Wait. Don't you dare tell me You saw nothing. Y'all saw nothing.
Pardon our dust, buddy. Looks like the park is going through some renovations.
Nah.
For the inconvenience, your Rambling Tuesday discount will be free.
Yes!
5% off!
Yeah, I get
Why
free
not
stuff.
celebrate this great deal with a ride on my railroad? To test your sleuthing skills, I'll let you find this one all by yourself.
Let's see them. Thanks. Brambley's Railroad. Holy cow, I never realized that. Like, imagine you were, like, coming in from there, like, walking around, and you're like, oh, I need to turn on my flashlight. Ah! Alright, yeah. Oh my god!
Suggests you may be a bit older than the target audience for this ride.
What's
It's
that?
one of my favorites.
Rambling, what was
You
that?
know why Rambling the raccoon loves Rambling's Railroad?
Right, because it has your name
Because I
on
like
it.
trains.
Oh my god. Alright, nice. I was fake laughing. That was not funny at all. Now, there's memes in this where was that supposed to be a reference to something? Somebody tell me. But it gets so flipping dark. New area! Sweets! What am I? God, it's so dark. I don't get this. What's this? This is slow for a railroad. This is kind of slow, man.
Welcome to Rambling's Railroad. I'm Conductor Rambley.
Sick! What? Do you do that to transfer to another screen? I'll just jam with him. Into the darkness.
Oh, look, it's Molly Macaw.
Where?
It's Molly Macaw!
Oh, there.
The greatest pilot you ever saw!
You sure are, Mol. Why, you only crashed into 6 bars this week.
What?
I'm not crashing, Rambling. I'm barnstorming!
Alright.
What's barnstorming?
It's crashing with style!
What's that? What's that? She's right there. Is that her?
Got along with you look like great pilots!
That's her! She's right there!
Rooftop races!
Admission included with critical.
She's right there! She looks so flippin' weird. Not like she looks there. Can the crash movie song jamming with Brambly in the total darkness. Guys, I'm sorry I haven't recorded a video in a while. So my microphone wasn't working. I didn't want you guys to experience something like not hearing me again. But now it actually works. Hope you guys can actually hear me again. That's the only reason I'm scared. What's this?
Oh, Billy!
Oh, it's Finley!
Come on out and greet the people!
Bye.
Hi, Randy.
Why the long face and body?
You've known me for 100 years, Randy.
Probably more.
I'm always long, because I'm always longing for a new seashell for my collection.
Oh, Billy, you should come out of your shell.
How about you come into it instead?
No.
Long ride, Oceanic Odyssey.
Alright.
I'll teach you all about the wonders down under the deep blue sea. It's as blue as me.
Sweet.
I hope you'll visit. I'm so lonely.
Oceanic Odyssey currently closed for repairs.
Boo. Bye, Finley. Jeez. How slow? What is this? Rambly, explain. Rambly, what is this? Explain yourself. Rambly, can you explain yourself here? For you. For you. What? Okay. Alright. Oh, what's this? Oh, I'm confused. Oh, hi, Finley. Lloyd's. Limos. Oh, is that the name of the line? Oh, that's it. Because I didn't mishear that. How loud is that, dude? You can hear it from here. Okay. Who's this? Who's this? Who is this? Oh, that's her body. That's like her lower half. Jamming with Lampley in the dark. Punch. You like this, family? Oh yeah, your turn. What's this?
Hey there, Lloyd.
Oh, that's Lloyd.
Do not shame me with that common folk name. I am the proud, the prestigious, the professional Lloyd Van Airline, actor extraordinaire.
Great actor.
What is this?
Of
Who are you? Go away! Go away! Go away! Go away! Explain! Bradley, explain! Explain! Rambly, explain! What exactly happened behind me?
So, what do you think? Pretty fun, right?
No.
I know all about my friends. And Lloyd.
You.
So, where do you want to go?
Oh. Oh. Bradley, can I ask a question? Why was your bird friend chasing us? Dude, imagine, I think this is all merch. Like actual merch. What is this? Oh, this is very, dude, that flashlight barely does anything. Okay, come on now. Are you spitting out water? If Lloyd's your friend, why do you hate him so much? Lloyd. Lloyd. Does he really wear a suit? Okay. Alright. Alright. This is very old. Oh, look at this. You are comfortable. You are comfortable. Ew! No. I bet that's not how they served them before.
Buddy, come over here.
No. I want to go in here. What's the point of this room? Oh, collectible. Is that's a golden Vambly plush? Why does this remind me of FNAF when we did go in front? Wait, where's Vambly? Where do you say you wanted me to go? Where do you say you wanted me to go? Like, where do you ask me to go? Here? I don't hear you, bad. This?
This here is an information kiosk.
Alright.
If there's anything around the park you want to ask me about, just stop by here and I'll ramble on about it.
I want to ask you why your friend Molly is stalking us. Oh. Oh, I almost got them all. I just need one more. Alright, sweet. Alright. Oh, we'll read these all. We'll read these all after we are done. Because we don't want to get, like, miss out on all the lore at once. Unless I don't find them. What's this? Jetstream Junction.
Oh, look at that. You're at Jetstream Junction.
Sweet.
Oops. Looks like Jetstream Junction's being tuned up.
Shut up.
Last I checked, there's a security office in the back of the theater.
Oh, Lawsman
Maybe
City.
a friendly wrangler can help you get in.
Oh, access granted. Sweet, man. Shouldn't they have made a mascot for, like, him? Or is he just, like, a TV? To be honest, for how long this game has had, nothing has really been scary besides seeing Molly Macaw and the human statue following his head following me. That's better. Yeah, you can't tell me that's not inspired by Disney though. That's totally. I don't know, maybe it's because he. Oh, hi. Hi there. You gonna heal me? Oh god. No, come back! Oh, he didn't just attack me right away. Maybe he's nice. Maybe he's a nice kitty.
Hey, buddy, I've got eyes all over the park, but I can't see anything behind the stage.
Okay.
If you're going back there, be careful. Your Criticop is not yet able to resuscitate you.
Is not able to what? Is not able to what me? Assess it. Why is there a piano? I literally play the piano all the time. I have one in my office. Can you hear it? Oh, it's done. Did you guys? I hope you guys heard my piano. Alright, so we're going here. Is what he's just saying. Dude, there's no way I'm playing this game without my flash. Oh. Hi. Do not stare at me. Alright, he's leaving. Oh god, that's a 2-walker. He can do all stuff. Dude, I feel like this is a chase. Yeah, I'm just gonna start running. Get me out, 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 get me out of here. Do not even ask me what that all was. His big body made something flip. Oh, let's recap. Finley, macaw, Finley, Molly. Give me the key. Alright. Oh, he's actually rolling around now. So I gotta make it here quick. Because he's actually running around. Oh god, he can actually kill me now. He can actually kill me now. Oh, I'm almost there. No, I made it. Sweet. Don't make that. No! No! Wait, what's going on? Why are you lying down? Why are you lying? I don't understand. It's Riley Macaw, the greatest stalker you ever saw. That's literally what she is, man. She is not leaving me alone. This is very nice theater. Alright, let me out. I'm done with Lloyd for now. Lloyd, I didn't like your shell, man. Alright, let's go to Jetstream Junction, I guess. Dang. Jetstream Junction. Interact. Learn! Golly goodness, what happened here?
Say, why don't you check out Molly's rooftop races? It's not far from here, and it's a great warm-up before we get into the bigger rides. Just take it up at Molly's landing pad.
What happened here? Oh, there's 2 blocks. What's that? It's a card reader. What else is there? Oh! Oh, okay. Hold on, what if I back up more? Aha! Why do I get the C under the map? Anyway. I don't really care. Hi, Molly. Molly's garage. Let's go in here. Nah, no way. OMG. Oh my god. We get to play. Oh no, Molly's plane crashed somewhere in the Ramsey woods. I better find her and make sure she's okay. How's this work? Oh, okay. Oh, what's this? Oh. Whoa. Yeah, I figured going in the water would kill me. Oh no, Molly's plane crashed. Somewhere in Ramsey woods. I better find her and make sure she's okay. Alright, come on. Well, there you go. Let's go. Can I double jump? Oh, yes, I can. Oh, God! Alright. Why are they in love? Oh, what? Oh, I'm going up. Oh, it's Molly. Molly, what happened? Hey, Rambly. I was flying through the woods, but suddenly I couldn't see a thing. Oh, who are you? Looks like I saw a smoke screen damn crash right on top. Oh, this is like the cardboard we saw in the command room. Stay up! I should know you're behind this, you shady skunk! Gotta go! How's about I try my new potion on her instead? I'm kind of pointing out squirrels. Molly, look out! Holy crap, uh-oh. That's bad. Too slow, dumpster face. What did you do to her? Meet the new and improved Molly Macaw. Now, if not a lot of friendship garbage stopping her from tearing you to pieces! I wonder what she really thinks of you now. Have fun finding out! Wait, am I fighting? Holy crap, uh-oh. Go away. Fight. Stop. What are you doing? Oh my god! Oh, hi there.
How's that thing running?
Okay. What? I didn't know you would be here.
I'm just stopping by really quick before I go to my girlfriend's house.
Oh, alright.
Runs pretty good?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll leave you to your business, alright?
Okay.
Later, bro.
Later. That's scary. Oh. Found collectible. I got a thing. On purpose. I'm going into the garage. Don't you actually show me this. Build your own burger. Barbecue bacon burger. Indigo special loaded hot dog. Not enough? Get a Rambly style. Get it bigger? Make it 1 foot. Molly's crispy chicken sandwich. You want some kick? Get it Rambly style. You hungry? Add some fries for $3.50. You hungry? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Alright. You hungry? Producers rising, as they always say in musicals. E, G, F, E, F, E, good. Oh, I got it. E, G, E, G, B, D, F. Every good producers. What's happening here?
No, this is horrible.
Well, what?
Looks like Molly crashed into the line again.
That's a lie.
Don't worry though, your pal Ripley has the repairman on speed dial.
It's not gonna be in service anymore, man. How long it hasn't been active here?
We're sorry. The number you have dialed has been disconnected or is no longer in service.
Yeah.
Please check the number and dial again.
For how, Ramley, you should have knew.
Say, why don't you check out Molly's landing pad? It's not far from here, and it's a great cool down after that exhilarating ride.
I didn't even
Just
go.
take a down from Molly's rooftop races.
I didn't even ride on it, but okay. But alright. Okay. Alright, whatever. Whatever, man. Whatever. Whoa. This is neat. You have a pizza? It's okay. It's okay, I haven't really purple star. So, oh, I can interact with these. So, if it says purple star, it looks like a purple star. Get me out! I don't even want a piece of crap to do with that business. What? Okay. I'm not gonna go the way she's heading. You know what? No. Oh, you're scared of me. Alright, no problem. I'm fine with that. Oh, okay. Yellow circle. Thank you. So, yellow circle. Yellow circle. Yellow circle. Have a yellow circle. Red trampoline. That's all. We have yellow circle, red star. Yellow circle, red star. Yellow circle, red star, green triangle. Oh. Okay, red star. Oh my god, no. Stalker! Oh my god. So it was. What was it? Yep. Let me out! Don't want to be in ball pit anymore. Thank you. Red star, green triangle. Yellow circle and blue star. Sweet! We made it! Alright, we're doing this. We're going in. We're going in. Why did my flashlight turn off? Why did my flashlight turn off? You have a door. Oh no! Oh no 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 no! Oh no 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 no! I am not a great pilot! No! I will not die tonight. Leave me alone! Okay, we have to turn this way! Oh my god! Run! 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 Whoa! Dude! Dude, this music. Oh my god. What is this? Dude, did he make this? Did he make this music on his own? Dude, this is amazing. I'm jamming to this. Run! 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 Oh my god. She is an event. You guys remember Hobby Playtime in June? That just came to mind. What's this?
There you are, buddy. Wait, hold on. This one's step only. You're in this step.
No, somebody stop! Let me in!
Welcome to the Ramblers Wranglers Register room. Here we have plenty of amenities and... Okay. I
Explain.
can see in your facial tracking that you're scared, you start to be upset. Transparency is an important part of our policy here at Indigo Park, so I need to be honest about something.
Please
The park has
explain.
been inactive for years. Employees stopped showing up, guests too. The mascots are...
Explain.
I just was so excited to see a visitor, and I wanted to be sure you were given the best experience possible. But I was confined to the entrance for so long, I didn't realize just how much disrepair the park has fallen into. Wasting all of your fine time.
No, you're not.
Sorry for the inconvenience.
Dude, you were my only friend in this.
But I have an idea. I
Yes!
have access to the repair documentation in my database. I just can't execute most tasks without authorization from a human user.
I'll help.
You must have come here because the park matters to you too, right?
I assume.
Would you be willing to help me restore the park?
Bro.
I can see in your facial tracking data that you aren't opposed to this. Ooh, I'm so excited. Let's get this place back in business.
Okay.
Okay, welcome to the crew, Rookie Wrangler Register. Your first official job as one of Rambley's Wranglers Register is to get out of the Rambley's Wranglers Register room. Head left towards the Rookie Wrangler Register security room to set yourself free.
Yeah, I'm setting myself free now.
Kind of exhausting to say that whole spiel, but Rambley's Wranglers Register is a registered trademark. That expired yesterday.
Oh, great. Oh. Well, that's just great. My only way out of this place.
Uh-oh, the Rambley's Wranglers room is only accessible by royal wranglers. Maybe one day you'll grow up big and strong enough to enter it.
Okay.
But for now, don't.
Alright. Sure. I'm still a child. I am still a teenager, right? In the, game, I'm 10 in real life, but I'm a teenager in the game, right? Dude, I feel like that's it for this game. I'm praying there'll be more. Right? I don't want this game to end. They're just gonna make another chapter, right? They have to. Come on. You guys have to. After all of that, that was amazing. Oh, I got them all! Oh. All new Rambley, you got
Oh, I got this. I know the commercial by heart.
What? Oh, you click on it,
Now,
he
the
interrupts.
limited edition Bradley the Raccoon action figure. Push him down and he jumps. Push him up and he does it too. Only $19.99 at your favorite toy store.
Sounds too much for this stuff.
Hey, buddy, did you pick that out of the lost and found? Or was it in the trash?
There's all
I'm surprised to guess that our park would dispose of a non-indigo rare toy. I suppose he'd make playtime special for a child with poor taste, though.
Come on! It was on a bench, though.
Whoa, where'd you get that? Brambleberries are my favorite! Oh, if only I could jump out of the screen and take a big bite.
I'm gonna eat it.
Don't eat it! Maybe I'll be able to one day!
I hope not. That'll be scary.
Ooh, that's a Rambley cup. Nothing beats the taste of fresh Rambleberry juice drunk directly out of my plastic, lifeless head.
Interactions were fine.
Whoa, where'd you find that? I've never seen anyone
During
wear
the
one.
chase.
Pretty snazzy. Ooh, looks like there's an audio recording tag with costume in my database I've never noticed before.
Let's listen.
Let's listen!
Yeah, I know.
Hey, Jackson, you hear about the new mascots?
Yeah, think it'll put us out of a job?
Yeah.
I think so. Old sport. And right after we got this damn raccoon costume.
Okay.
Man, screw this place.
Alright.
I said we get our asses out of here and go straight to Vegas.
Really, man? Yes,
Come on, they didn't even document the indigo inventory ID for the
This is
costume.
supposed to be family
I was
friendly.
really looking forward to that. What a useless recording. Deleted.
Yeah, please delete it. Don't do anything like that again.
What? Was that a limited edition gold Rambley plush?
Alright.
Parents were fighting tooth and nail for those things when they came out. Seriously, our employees had to clean up so many stray teeth and nails. Hard to believe there was all that demand for a regular Rambley plush we just blasted with gold spray paint.
That's lazy.
Oh, Molly plush. She's always been my best friend. Did you know she builds planes in her landing pad at the park? And then she crashes them. She's so talented.
She builds planes in the jumpy house for kids. She should work in the workshop though.
Oh, you found my buddy Finley. You know, he's really shy. Like too shy. Like obnoxiously shy. But he's got a good heart. I hope you get to meet him someday. Ew, Lloyd. Ew, Lloyd. Ew, Lloyd. Ew, Lloyd. Ew, Lloyd. Ew, Lloyd.
Alright, I'll stop.
Congratulations! You found me! Don't I look adorable?
Guess so.
Rambley ears! Those used to fly off the shelves. That pair is pretty damaged, though. Keep your eyes peeled. There's gotta be at least one more mint-condition set out there somewhere. Like a yard sale.
Alright. What's this?
I don't get why we even have those. And why are they willing to make fun of Lloyd? Is it because he's the loudest? I can be loud too! Where's my limited edition throwback plush? Where's Molly's? Where's Finley's? Give this mistake to a child and they'll cry.
Alright. That's all of them.
I don't get why we even have those. And why are they willing to make fun of Lloyd? Is it because he's the loudest? I can be loud too! Where's Molly? Wow! You made it to Oceanic Odyssey! You're doing a great job, Rookie Wrangler!
That's a positive, Finley. And then that over there is like the negative. Negative, I mean.
You'll find a potpourri of porpoises, pickles, and perches as far as the eye can see. Please don't tap the glass. I really know what these things.
What? So that's what Finley looks like. Okay.
Hey, buddy. You okay? You look kind of tired.
I am.
Do you need a moment? Don't
Yes.
worry, it's fine. I don't blame you for taking a rest after all that.
Alright.
Heck, I can go for a nice, relaxing defragmentation myself. But before we settle down, you up for a little survey to help us improve the park?
Not right now.
Thanks for visiting Indigo Park. Hope all your dreams came true.
This was a cool
If
game.
you've got some time and you're up for a lark, stick around for the Rambly review.
Wait, is this a song?
I'm here to offer my best to each valuable guest I assist.
I'm not gonna talk because I think
And
it's
lots of happy feedback ensures I get to exist. Were you satisfied with the rides? Yes or no? Were you satisfied with your guide? Sure hope so. Do you plan to come back? Will I see you again? Did your experience convince you to tell a friend about us? Did I earn your trust?
I guess so, only for you.
At Indigo Park, there is a stark contrast to everything I know this place should be. But out of the dark, you've given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful devotee. At Indigo Park, more than our remarks are mysteries. Even I don't know what we might find.
You're dead
But
before
fight
you
through the
spam
dark
all your friends.
and know your spark of sunshine to get you out of any bind. That is, if you want to keep going.
I'm watching.
Idea! I know all of this isn't fair to you. It's an awful lot to ask. But here comes Rambly Review Part 2 to sell you on our task. I'm here to view and assess each valuable guest as I learn. And lots of happy feedback ensures you're gonna return. I'm so happy you wrote a ride. I'm so happy to be your guide. So come back anytime, I'd love to see you again. In all my thousands of days, I've never had a friend like you. At least I hope I do.
Yeah, you do.
At Indigo Park, there is a stark contrast to everything I know this place should be. But out of the dark, you've given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful devotee. At Indigo Park, more than my remarks are mysteries. Even I don't know what we might find. But fight through the dark and know your spark of sunshine to get you out of any bind. Till all my old friends are united again, and I won't feel so left behind. Okay, I'll let you go. See you next time, buddy. Please.
Oh my god. Has a project we've for over a year now. The stories and world that we want to create, Rambly and his friends, are very special to us. To scale this game, we are going to need some help. If you enjoyed the experience of Chapter 1, consider supporting our socials if you want to see Chapter 2. No matter what events, we hope you enjoyed. Thanks for visiting Indigo Park. Yeah, you see, check out our channel. He's a YouTuber. This was a great game, man. You had to have had support with this, right? You didn't make this all by yourself, did you? I didn't read the credits, okay? This was so good. That was great now. That was just great. I hope you guys actually did. Anyway, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.